Saleka does not kiss his wives, especially on the mouth. Ugele usasemosha ngempela lisavutha amalangabi. Guys, is in love. Honeymoon phase. Yesterday, Uthando Nesthembu season 8 episode 4. People were surprised to say, "Hi, Saleka, you only give your wives hugs. What is going on with wife number 5? What's so special about her?" Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know, the rest of the house is someone please and welcome to Churi Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, it seems like a new wife, she's still getting those kisses. You know, you can tell Saleka is on the neck level. He feels like he's 21. So yesterday, Uthando Nesthembu season 8, episode 4. So when the episode 4 ended, so they did show us what's going to happen in next week on Uthando Nesthembu season 8 episode 5. That's when Umacele will meet the wife number 5. All of them, they will meet wife number 5 for the first time. And Saleka was busy hiking wife number 5 before he goes to see Macele, to say to Macele, "I want to introduce wife number 5 to you." You guys, people are really surprised to say, "Wow, I guess the new love makes men go crazy." You know, it seems like Saleka now he's behaving a certain ways. We've never seen Saleka behaving this way. No wonder why people are not happy with wife number 5, because wife number 5 now he's making Saleka to act like a boy, you know. It's no longer like a man. You guys, if there's nothing as painful seeing your man loving another woman, like you can see which your man is capable of showing love to you, but because you look at you and say, you don't deserve this, someone else deserves this. The same way girls have been watching those young ladies are getting married, you know, the church, you know. I'm not gonna judge. I don't see anything wrong with girls marrying old men. Guys, at the end of the day, these small boys will play with them. At least those, they do have future. I'm not saying I do agree whatever is happening, but have you seen those men, the way they were so happy? They were so happy, including Nozipo's husband. He was so happy, guys. People, guys, you will see your man in a different way. You'll be like, "Yeah, ne, I regret meeting this guy." But anyway, guys, tell me what you think about this situation. Yaga Musamsaleko, he's now more like Mpumelelo, guys. He's 10. Wife number 5 is making Musamsaleko to think that he is the same age with Mpumelelo. They say a young wife make you look younger. They wonder why most men will prefer the younger wife. The old women make you to look old and reason like an old man. But anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Friday. Please take care of yourself. I love you.